When you search for the best welding machine for beginners, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really find what works and what's worth your money, you've got to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1. Yes Welder 135A MIG Welder. Let's kick things off with the Yes Welder 135A MIG Welder. This budget-friendly option caught my eye with its 3-in-1 functionality and a price tag of just $109.99. If you want a versatile machine that can handle MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 135 amp output means you can weld mild steel up to 332 inches thick, which is perfect if you're working on home projects. The Synergy control automatically adjusts voltage with the wire speed, so you won't have to guess the settings as a newbie. Plus, there's a digital display that shows you real-time current, giving you more control as you learn. Now, some people complained about the learning curve with the controls. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, this welder is super easy to use and is designed for beginners, so don't let that discourage you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tackle various welding tasks without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something specifically for heavy industrial use. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Yes Welder's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hip Puo 200 amp stick welder, priced at a mere $59.99. I was intrigued by its super mini portable design and the fact that it comes with 20 welding rods. If you want something lightweight that you can easily take anywhere, this is worth a serious look. This machine can handle metals with thickness from 0.06 to 0.2 inches, making it ideal for home repairs or DIY projects. The advanced IGBT inverter technology provides a stable arc and prevents the rods from sticking, which is a common frustration for beginners. Plus, at just 7.85 pounds, you can easily carry it around your garage or even to a remote job site. Some users have mentioned that the 200A output might not be enough for thicker materials, but honestly, for a beginner focusing on basic welding tasks, this limitation isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, lightweight welder for small projects. Skip this one if you plan to work on thicker steel or need something more powerful. Overall, you really can't beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3. Futello 145A MIG Welder. The Futello 145A MIG Welder. Another solid choice priced at $69.98. What caught my attention with this one is its compact size and the 3-in-1 functionality that includes MIG, stick, and TIG welding. If you want something compact yet powerful, this is definitely worth considering. This little guy supports a 30 to 145A output, making it great for various welding tasks. It can tackle carbon and stainless steel up to 5 millimeters thick, so you're covered for most home DIY projects. The smart Synergy control is a game changer. It adjusts voltage and wire speed automatically based on your settings, which is perfect for beginners learning the ropes. One downside some users noted is the lack of a TIG torch. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, you probably won't need it immediately. You can always add it later. This is perfect for you if you want a compact welder that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you need a machine that comes fully equipped for every type of welding right out of the box. The value you get for the price is impressive. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more versatility, let's check out the next option.
Product number 4, Yes Welder 160A MIG Welder, priced at $175.98. This one really stands out with its dual voltage capability and 4-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for a welder that can grow with your skills, this is worth a serious look. The 160A output means it can handle a variety of materials, including thicker steel, which is great for more advanced projects down the line. The smart control feature automatically adjusts the settings for you, making it perfect for beginners who might be intimidated by all the options. The LED display is also a fantastic addition for easy monitoring. Some users mention that it's a bit heavier at 27.8 pounds. While that might be a drawback for portability, I think the added features more than make up for it, especially if you plan to do more serious welding work. This is perfect for you if you want a welder that's versatile enough for both beginner and advanced projects. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable for small jobs. The investment is certainly justified for the capabilities you get. Now, if you're looking for something more portable, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, CC Portable Welder. we have the CC Portable Welder, priced at $79.98. I was really impressed by its handheld design and light weight of just 7.15 pounds. If you need something that's ultra portable and easy to use, this one is definitely worth considering. This welder works with 3/32 to 1/8 inch rods, making it suitable for a range of DIY and automotive repair tasks. The smart IGBT inverter technology enhances arc stability and improves energy efficiency, which is a big plus for beginners. It also includes a complete set of accessories, so you can start welding right out of the box. However, some users did mention that it might struggle a bit with thicker materials, but honestly, for most home repair jobs and light projects, this isn't likely to be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-carry welder for small to medium jobs. Skip this one if you need to work on heavier materials regularly. For the price and features, it's a great deal. So there you have it. From the versatile Yes Welder 135A to the ultra-portable CC, each of these welders has its own strengths. If you're just starting out, any of these 5 options could help you embark on your welding journey without overwhelming you. Pick the one that best fits your needs and get ready to create.